Last crypto story, or maybe second last. This one's interesting. I don't know if you saw how Mark Cuban is now accepting Dogecoin for the Dallas Mavericks. Did you hear about this?
No.
So I guess I don't know. He must have bought a bunch, and it's like one way you can accelerate the value of such a thing is by accepting it. So he now claims the Dallas Mavericks are the largest Dogecoin merchant in the world. Apparently, they have carried out more than 20,000 Dogecoin transactions. And the investor said if his team sells merch worth another 6.5 billion Dogecoin, the token price could hit $1. Right. Now, what's funny here is that originally he was kind of goofing on Dogecoin a little bit. He said he bought some for his son. Yeah. Not as a goof, but just kind of...
like a fun activity.
Sort of, yeah. But then it seemed like he got real serious about it because the Dallas Mavericks are all about Dogecoin right now. Now, this works on a couple of levels. Obviously, he could make some money himself if this thing he's talking about does actually happen. But it also, look what happens. I mean, the article pops up and the Dallas Mavericks seem innovative or new or fresh, and same with him. They embrace
technology.
Yeah, and all of a sudden I'm like, yeah, that's my team. My team lets me do what I want to do. Right. My team lets me pay in Doge if I want to. Uh-huh. And as you can see, look, man, it's still going. Give me a month. Give me a month on it. You're looking at the week chart. Okay, so it's not at its peak.
It's because of the Elon.
Yeah. There was.
Tweets.
I think
a lot of traffic at that time.
But you can't do it all the time, right?
No.
Like you can overdo it as well.
Yeah. But
it looks to be climbing a little bit based on some of this news. If you look at the more recent history, but it is not at its peak yet. But it found a little bit of support there.
Sure.
We have a little bit of a little flat support over there. Anyway, yeah. If you're a Dallas Mavericks fan, go ahead and purchase some merch with your Doge.
Sure.
Bring it up to $1.